Bỏ cái này xuống nữa con. Bỏ cái tách này xuống nữa con.
Hi, Chow.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, why are you late? Where have you been? What happened? Hi, how are you? Where have you been? Why are you late?
Happy.
Huh?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Okay. Where have you been? You are late.
What late?
Late. You did not come on time. Late. Oh, our schedule is 7. You are late 15 minutes. Okay, let's continue. Let's do talking. You want talking? Speaking? Okay. For a while. Okay, now we are going to have speaking test. Okay. Okay. Now, Chow, tell me about your day.
Tell me about your
Day.
hobby.
Yes. Today,
Today I'm happy.
happy.
Today I go to school.
Ah, okay. Okay. Today, I go to, oh, sorry.
School. I I play.
I play with
Yes.
my friends. What else? What else? Other. Or tell me about your day. Today I go to school, I play with my friends, and
Today I go to school. I play with my friend and
or
and
how about number 2? Tell me about your hobbies.
Yes, I happy.
No, tell me about hobby. Hobby, this one. You understand hobby?
Yes.
That things.
I know hobby. I know.
Chow, chow. Look at teacher Ann. Look at. You will say, I don't know. Again.
I don't know hobby.
I don't know what is hobby, teacher. Okay, I will write here. Write in your notebook.
Okay.
Example, dancing, singing, drawing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hobbies, it means the things. Can you read, Chow? You read.
Hobby. This there are the things that you like to do much.
Most. Most.
Example, dancing, singing, drawing.
Most. Again.
Most.
Okay. What is your hobby? What do you like most? I
I
like
hmm.
I like
I like skipping rope,
playing. Look at
playing skipping rope.
group. Okay, what else? What else?
Mhm. Mhm. I. Mhm.
What else?
Ting, 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 ting.
Aside from skipping rope,
Mhm. Ting, ting, ting. Oh, oh. Dance. Ting, ting. I L I K. I like dancing. A N.
rope. What else, Chow? Aside from skipping rope, what do you like?
I N G.
What do you like?
A.
Huh?
Hmm.
Where is it?
Here. Here.
Send it to me now.
Here.
Teacher Ann did not read it.
Sure.
I like dancing. Very good. You like, can you dance?
Yes.
Okay, then. Very. Teacher Ann also like dancing. Oh, very good. So, Chow, that is your hobby. You like dancing? Hey, next. Now, tell me, okay. Here. You tell me what is the difference? This is here, look at here. Letter A and it's letter
B.
sorry. Letter A
Letter B.
and letter B. Okay. Now give me what is the difference? A and B. What do you think is the difference?
I so cold. Okay, teacher.
Yes, and then you encircle
Monkey picture B is in the tree. Monkey in picture.
A.
No. Monkey in picture A is in the tree. Monkey in picture B in the under the tree.
Okay, very good. Okay, the monkey in the first. Okay, look at here. I will write here.
I so cold.
Yeah, go.
I go. In the
Okay,
yeah.
okay, you tell me later. The monkey in the first picture, where is it?
Picture A.
Picture is
Picture A.
in the tree. While the monkey in second picture or picture B is under the tree. Okay. Okay, here. Next. What's next, Chow? Tell me. Chow, tell me the other.
Yes.
First is monkey. Second is cloud. Okay, what do you think?
No.
Okay, you tell me now. What is the next difference?
I draw here.
Okay, you tell me. What is the difference? Yeah. Chow, you tell me what is the difference now in the first picture and in the second picture.
Picture A different is sky is hot. Picture B sky is windy.
It's raining. Okay. In the first
No
picture.
raining. It's windy.
What's this?
Windy.
Oh, do you think it's windy? There is a dark cloud and it's almost rain. Okay, next. What's next? How about the boat? How about this one?
Boat is picture A boat is it blue.
Okay, and
Picture
the
B
second.
boat is red.
Okay,
Picture A is two tree. Picture B is one tree.
Two trees. Listen. Two trees. Trees.
Two,
Trees. Trees.
two trees.
Yeah, trees because many. One
Tree.
coconut tree. In the first picture, okay, listen to teacher. In the first,
Picture
what else? Finish.
picture I here is what is
It's
what
a,
is
it's a sea creatures.
the secret picture B is a
Pirate.
what
Pirate.
pirate.
Yeah, this one. This one, okay, here.
What?
This one, this is sea creatures. This one, a pirate. Okay, like that. First one, it's a sea creature. And the second one, it's a pirate. Okay. Okay. Pirate live in the sea. And also this one live in the sea. Okay. Can you see that one? Okay, next.
Yes.
Next. What else?
A tree.
Oh, there are two trees here and one tree in the second picture.
Two trees. Here is one tree.
In the second picture. Okay, first, you listen to teacher. In the first picture in letter A, the monkey is in the tree. In the second picture, letter
The
B,
monkey in the front picture is in the
tree.
Below,
The monkey in the second picture is under the tree. Okay. Second, the first picture, there are two trees.
One S.
In the second picture, it's one tree only.
One tree only.
In the first picture, there are two trees. In the second picture, it's one tree. Hey, look at that one. In the first picture, you can see that there are two trees. In the second picture, there is only one tree. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Another, in the first picture, you can see that the boat is color blue.
Blue.
The
Here is color
second picture,
red.
it's color red.
Red.
Okay. Next, in the first picture, you can see a sea creatures. And letter B pictures, you can see a pirate. Okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, great job. Now let's move. So there are 5 differences. 5. Okay? 5 differences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. 5 differences.
Teacher eraser.
Yeah, I will erase.
Story. Story.
Okay.
Story.
Next, on Friday, please don't be late, okay? Okay, here, look at the picture. can you tell me what happened to the story?
Picture 1. What name?
Okay, the grandmother.
Picture 1. The one mother is sleeping. Cat sleeping. Dog is no sleeping. Picture 2. Cat climbing in the tree. Dog no climbing in the tree. Dog woof woof.
The dog.
Dog.
Number 3.
Number 3. She is what here? Hello. Hello. What's that?
The woman is calling the phone.
The woman is calling the phone. A helicopter. The cat in the tree. Picture for helicopter is a cat in the under the tree.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay. Lesson. Teacher Ann will tell the story. Okay. Lesson. Okay. In the first picture, look at this man. The grandma is sleeping. And the dog is here. The cat is here. In the second picture, you can see that the dog here. In the second picture, you can see that the dog tried to chase the cat. In the second picture, you can see that the dog tried to chase the cat climbing on the tree. Hey, look at this one. It's in here. Look at this one. It's in here. Okay. In here, in number 3, the woman, look at the woman, calls a helicopter. Because, why? Because the cat
In the tree.
is in the tree.
In the tree.
It's in the tree. So the woman gets worried. And so he tried to call the helicopter to pick the cat. Next is, what happened next? What happened? So the helicopter arrives and pick the woman and pick the cat in the tree. Okay. Okay, here. Can you see that?
See. I can see. I can see.
Oh.
Next. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, here.
What's that? Teacher Carl.
For a while. Okay. In the second picture, okay, first, look at here, child. In the first picture, in this one, in the first picture, the woman is sleeping.
The first picture, the woman
Is sleeping.
sleeping.
Okay. In the second picture, what happened? In the second picture, you can see that the dog, look at the dog here. Look at the dog. The dog, this one, tried to chase the cat climbing on the tree. It, ow, 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 or like that. And then, because look at the cat is,
In the first picture, the woman is sleeping. In the second picture, you can see that the dog
tried to chase
the cat climbing on the tree.
Okay, listen first. Listen first. Okay,
reading.
Oh, listen for a while. In the second picture, you can see that the dog tried to chase the cat climbing on the tree. Where is the cat now in the third picture? Where is the cat, Chow?
Cat in the tree.
Oh, it's on the tree. Look at here. Here. Look at this one. So, the woman calls the helicopter because she cannot get the cat. Can you see this? What happened? Number 4? In number 4, what happened?
Yes. Teacher is 1 star.
Yeah, of course. Go. Yeah, go. Continue reading. First picture, you go. In the first picture. Okay, here, number 1, 2, and 3. Go. You reach out.
1,
2, 3.
3, and 4.
Go here. Go. You read now, you read. In the first picture.
In the first picture, the woman is sleeping. In the second picture, you can see that the dog tried to chase the cat climbing on the tree. The woman calls a helicopter because the cat is on the tree.
Okay.
So the helicopter arrived and picked the cat on the tree.
Okay. Okay. So you understand this? You understand?
Yes.
You understand, Chow? First picture, yes. The woman is sleeping. Second picture, the dog chased the cat. Third picture, the woman calls. Fourth picture, helicopter gets the cat. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
Eraser. Teacher, eraser.
Yeah. Look at this one. What have you seen in the picture?
Icicle.
Okay. What do you think is number? This is number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think is the different? Number 1.
Icicle. And
in circle, yeah.
Circle. And speaking. Okay.
I will tell. Okay. Okay.
What's a black color. Black.
Next. 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 Number 4.
Is the cat.
Okay. Number 1. What is the difference?
Number 1, different. It cake.
Why?
Banana.
Pineapple?
Apple nut. Apple nut. A pineapple. Orange is fruit. Cake is no fruit. Cake is sweet. Number 2, hamburger, meat, chicken is eating. Ice cream is squeezed.
Yeah.
Number 3, what's that? What's that? What's that?
Okay, somebody entering the Zoom. Okay, next,
What's
number
that?
2. Someone entered the
Teacher,
Zoom.
what's that? Teacher, what's that?
This one,
what's
this
that?
one. It's a doll.
Down?
Doll. This one.
Down.
A toy. Doll toy. Okay, number 3.
Hi. Mo is play.
For playing.
No play. Mo is drink.
Okay, and then this one, the glass, it's for drinking.
For well, stop.
What's number 4?
Dolphin, shark is swim. Male,
swim.
a cat, no swim.
And not chow. Look at here. Look at teacher and very good. Look at here. Number 4. The dolphin, the dolphin, the whale, and the shark can swim. But the cat,
Can swim.
yeah, very good, can swim. But the cat can't swim. Cannot. Again.
Dolphin, whale, shark,
Yeah.
can swim. Cat is no can swim.
Oh, don't say no can. Please say cannot. Can't swim. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next time, okay, in the first picture, it's the cake. It's an ice cream. In the second picture, it's a glass. And 4 is a cat. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next meeting on Friday. Okay, listen. On Friday, don't be absent, okay? You will stay with teacher, okay? We will talk a lot. A lot. Yeah, very good. Goodbye, ciao. See
Bye,
you.
teacher.
Oh, bye-bye. Love, teacher. Love. Bye-bye. Dance, Beth. Dance. Can you dance? Do you like
Yes.
that? Oh, very good. Wow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you on Friday. Okay?
Friday is it is.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye. See you again.
Okay, see you again. We will learn a lot on Friday. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Bye-bye.